Students, hi students, how are you ma? Are you fine student? I hope everyone is fine. So in previous class, I explained Harappan civilization, okay? The remaining portion it is, okay ma? So the great granary, okay, the great granary, Harappa, during Harappa period, the granary was a massive building with a solid brick foundation, okay? So granary, they will store the food items, okay? So it's built a buildings, okay, it's a solid bricks foundation, it is solid brick foundation it is. Then granaries were used to store food grains, okay, so on what purpose they will be, they will store the food grains, okay. Then remains of wheat, barley, millets, sesame and pulses have been found there, okay. So they will keep these items also. The next one, assembly hall. Assembly hall, you know, in our school also assembly hall is there, isn't it? Assembly. In the assembly time, what all the peoples will stand in this side and what they will do. Principal will speak something, will say something, isn't it? The students will sing the song, prayer, it will be like this, isn't it? So here also assembly hall will be there. It's another huge public building at Mohenjo-daro. It was a multi-pillar hall, okay, 20 pillars it is, okay. How many pillars? 20 pillars and 4 rows will be there, okay, 4 rows. Supported the roof also. Then next more trade and transport. Okay, during Harappan period, trade and commerce also, trade and transport has done during this time. So Harappan were great traders. Okay, standardized weights and measures also they used. Okay, they used sticks and box of measure length. Okay, they used nowadays for measuring this length what? Measuring purpose what they will do? We will use the scales and all. Okay, so Harappan people also used this type of scales also, okay ma. So they used carts with spokeless solid wheels also, okay. So one cart will be there. Have you seen the bullock cart? It is, isn't it? So what they will do, they will solid wheels also will be there, okay. Solid wheels it is, okay ma. Then there is evidence for a extensive maritime trade with Mesopotamia in the seal having some seals also Harappan people used, okay. Mesopotamian, then they used a different type of seal. So modern day Iraq, Kuwait and parts of Syria, okay, in this places under they found it, okay, they got this type of seals also. King Naram-Sin of Akkadian Empire bought jewelry from the land of Meluka. A region of the Indus Valley was mentioned in an speak regarding Naram-Sin. Okay, Naram-Sin, he's a Akkadian emperor. Okay, Sumerian emperor. So he bought a jewels from the land of Meluka. Okay, land of Meluka. Okay, ma. So the cylindric seals also they used. Okay, during Mesopotamian period. Okay, ma. The naval dockyard has been discovered in Lothal in Gujarat. It shows the maritime activities of the Indus people. Okay, what ma? The naval dockyard also. Dockyard means, you know what they will do. The ship will load and unload. So repairing the ships also. Okay. So it is given detailedly. The picture also it is given. Lothal is situated on the banks of a tributary and Sabarmati river in Gujarat. Okay. Lothal, okay, dockyard in Lothal. What they will do? They will upload and loading and uploading the goods items. Okay, so then like next more leaders of Mohenjo-daro. Okay, so leaders of Mohenjo-daro, it is given one leader will be there. Okay, we got that. So one sculpture, it is made has been unearthed in a building with a headband of the forehead and a smaller ornament on the right upper arm. We are believing that maybe he is the leader of that. The picture also it is given, okay ma. So his hair is really carefully combed and bird finally trimmed also, okay. What they trimmed this items also. Then what it is, the hair is boldly, headband also will be there, one band also they fixed. So we are believing that maybe he is the leader of the Mohenjo-daro. Okay, 2 holes also it is there beneath the ears, suggest that the head ornament, okay, might have been attached till the ear. Okay, so it is connected with the ear. Okay, so it will be like this, here to here it will. Okay, then the left shoulder is covered with a shawl like garments decorating with designs of flowers and rings. Okay, so what more? Decoration shawl also will be there, like ornaments like it is. Okay, the shawl pattern is used by people even today in those areas. Okay, so what, where they will wear the shawl. Okay, left shoulder. Okay, left shoulder they will wear the shawl. Now also in some members what they will show, they will keep the shawl in this side. Okay, then technology, Indus people have developed a system of standardized weights and measures. Okay, so they used standardized and weights and measures will be the, okay, some standardized weights. Okay, nowadays you know what a digital measurement it is, isn't it, pa? Not measurement, weights will be there, isn't it? If you want to take the measurement, what weights, what if we can keep in the particular place, digital, we will get the correct weight, isn't it? 1 kg or 2 kg or 3 kg or 10 kg it will be. But this Mohenjo-daro people used such a type of what, such a type of used, the picture has given, no, such a type of weights, the weights and measures. Okay, then ivory scale found in Lothal in Gujarat in 1704 mm. Okay, so ivory scale also they used, ivory, one of the metal. Okay, then one more picture also it is given. The little statue was found at Mohenjo-daro. Okay, one of the statue it is. So we are believing what, dancing girl like it is. Okay. Then next what, so I thought that these pictures had found their way into levels some 3000 years old to which they properly belonged. Okay, so the ornaments also they were, bangles also they were. Okay, so maybe we are telling Sir John Marshall is believing that saw the statue known as the dancing girl. We are guessing that. Okay, see, it's look like differently. Okay, ma. Then do you know the hidden treasures of the Indus civilization? Apparel. Okay, that cloth, what type of cloth they wore, no? So we are getting some information, ma. Inscriptions can provide us information about custom practices and other aspects of any place or time. Okay, so we are getting many evidences. Apparel, how it will be, no? Cotton fabrics were in common use. Okay, common use, cotton fabric only they used. Okay, then clay spindles unearthed suggest that yarn was spun. Okay, wool was also used. Okay, so they used this type of clothes. Okay, the love and peace during Harappan people settled were built on giant platforms and elevated grounds only they settled. Okay, then the Indus civilization seems to have been a peaceful one. Few weapons were found. We are getting some weapons also. Some weapons only we found. Okay, so no evidences of an army, whether during Mohenjo-daro period or whether the army will be there or not, we couldn't get any information in the civilization period. Okay, then they displayed their statues with the garments and precious jewelry. Okay, they used such a type of we got this. Okay, garments and precious jewelry also during Indus civilization people used this. Okay, then they had an advanced civic sense. Okay, they have the sense. Okay, then ornaments were popular among men and women. Okay, so ornaments for men and women also wore that. Okay, then they adorned themselves with necklace, armlets, bangles, finger rings, then ear studs and anklets also they used. Then the ornaments were made of gold, silver, ivory shell, copper, terracotta and precious stones also. Okay, so they used this type of ornaments. Then who covered them, you know? Then historians believing that the existence a central authority that controlled planning of town and overseas trade, maintenance of drainage and peace in the city. Okay, so maximum what they will do? They will do the control the planning of town and overseas trades also. Then maintains of drainage and peace in the city. Okay, we are believing, historians are believing that central authority will be there. Okay, the central authority only will control this and all. Then occupation, the main occupation of the Indus civilization people is not known. However, agriculture, handicrafts, pottery making, jewelry making, weaving, carpentry and trading were practiced. Okay. So what is the main occupation ma? In the Indus civilization people, agriculture they did, handicrafts also, pottery making also, jewelry making, weaving, carpentry, etc. Okay, there were merchants, traders and artisans. Okay, many merchants and traders also, traders and artisans also will be there. Okay, ma. Then rearing of cattle was another occupation. Then people of those times knew how to use the potter's wheel. Everything know that. Then they reared domesticated animals also. Okay, then they reared they domesticated the animals also. Okay, in the civilization people. Then pottery. Have you seen the pottery? Pottery it's look like differently, isn't it? So pottery also was practiced using the pottery wheels. It was well fired potteries were red in color with beautiful designs in black. Okay, so red in color, beautiful color, at the same time they designed also. Okay, then the broken pieces of potteries have animal figures and geometric designs on it. Okay, so they fixed this also. Then religious beliefs, we do not have any evidences painting to specific deities of their religious practices. There might have been worship of mother goddesses, which is concluded based upon the excavation of several female figures. Okay, we are getting many several female figures and all. What we get some evidences painting to specify. Maybe we are religious also. During Indus people, the people has worshipped some goddesses, like that we are believing that. Then toy culture also, everyone like toys, isn't it? All the students like toys, isn't it? So now also they like, isn't it? So during the Harappan Indus civilization period also, toys like gods, cows with movable heads and limbs, clay balls, tiny doll, a small clay monkey, terracotta squirrels, then eating a nut, clay squirrels eating a nut like that shape. Then clay dogs and a male dancer have been found. They made various types of love using terracotta, which show that they enjoyed playing. Okay, so it shows that all enjoyed to play with this toys. Okay, ma. Then next, what happened to Harappans? Okay, what happened to the Harappans? We lost at this city, isn't it? So in 1900 BCE, the Harappan culture had started declining. It is assumed that the civilization met with repeated flood. We are guessing that how it will be, ma? Repeated flood, that one also one of the reason. Then archaeological changes. Okay, so due to the archaeological changes, it happened. Then invasions. Okay, invasion also. Then natural calamity, climatic changes, then deforestation, okay, deforestation and epidemic. Okay, these are the reasons during the Harappan people, Harappan culture had started to decline this. Okay, we are guessing that repeated floods, ecological changes, invasions, natural calamity, climatic changes, deforestation and epidemic. Okay, so then general facts about Indus civilization. It is among the oldest in the world. Okay, what is the general? It is what, ma? It is the oldest civilization, the largest among 4 ancient civilizations. The world first planned cities are found in this civilization. Then the Indus also had advanced sanitations and drainage system. Okay, really if you compare to this civilization, it is different. Okay, what, ma? Why it is different? Okay, why it is different, ma? The culture is entirely different. Okay, the culture is entirely different. The people habit is entirely different. Okay, could you understand, ma? Could you understand, students? I will give the question answer. Today I will send the question answer. Okay, so exam it will start. Okay, so in next week I will give the revision, students. So history first, second, third lesson. Okay, 3 lessons, geography 2 lessons, civics 1 lesson. Okay, so everyone plan to learn this lessons. Okay, ma? Could you understand? So answer the following question. I will give it into the next class. Okay, I will give through WhatsApp. I will give it to you. Okay, ma? Thank you, students.